Hey guys, welcome back to the TUT class and welcome to the fourth episode under this series, partial fraction. Now in the last class, you noticed the solution to one of the questions that I did on board, also the question I did on board basically. So you notice that at this point I said, something. I said in my next video, the method I'll be using there is what I'm supposed to use to solve this question. So we have 4 minus 2x all over x minus 1, x minus 1, or x minus 1 whole squared. So let's just put as x minus 1 first, because out of the other two methods, I'm going to be performing something like this there. Alright? So, and that's the method I want to use to solve this particular video. So you see the real solution, to this particular question. The reason why I continue with this particular solution was because I wanted to show us how to use yet again, this comparing coefficient method as a second method to solving any question that was partial fraction. So that was why I had to, go through this particular method in the last video. So using this new method now is to say I have, say a question as this. Let's say I have 1 over x squared. To resolve the partial fraction is to say put the first or the next alphabet over the initial, of this variable, then the next, then till the final. So over x plus b over x squared, then you resolve. If I have a question of this form, 1 over, let's say, x into x minus 1 raised to power 3. What I'll say is to say what? To resolve is to say a over, this one is x, plus b over the initial of this one, that's x minus 1 raised to power 1, then plus the next initial, that's what? C over what? X minus 1 raised to power 2, then plus the next one, d over what? X minus 1 raised to power what? 3. You must expand like this while resolving this partial fraction before you now start solving. You can add up to z, right? So, but you must first do it like this before you now start solving. So, to solve this is to say, since I have similar factors here, I can just say it's the same thing as what? 4 minus 2x all over what? X minus 1 squared, then x plus what? 1. Alright? So, which is the same thing as what? A over what? The initial of this is what? X minus 1. Then plus b over what? X minus 1 squared. Then plus what? C over what? The next one now. X plus 1. At this point, let's cross multiply, solve, and get our answers. So cross multiplying, I have 4 minus 2x to be equals to what? A into what? Must I solve all questions? Yeah, Yusuf, try this question for me and let me see what your answer will be in the comment section. See you in my next video.